Have you ever wondered why, after watching all those how to get rich videos and reading book after book, you're still stuck in the same place? You're not alone, but today we're going to break that cycle. This message might just change the way you see success forever. Watching all the videos or reading all the books about making money won't make you rich. We're all striving to become wealthy and earn more, but the path most of us take is, quite frankly, strange. Some people dive into every money book they can find, while others binge watch hours of videos on financial freedom. Just take a look at today's viral content.
And obviously, this has taken me like
I've
8
made
years to
millions
build up,
of
so
dollars
don't
with
expect to be.
I've been able to make hundreds of thousands of dollars with AI.
$500 a day working from home.
It's all about how to make money. And guess what? Many entrepreneurs have noticed this trend. That's why there's been a surge in videos showing how they built multiple income streams.
Help you make more money.
Have you ever heard of the lack of money?
Is this too good to be true?
But let's be real, very few of them actually tell you what you need to do. At the same time, some people secretly wish that money will just appear one day without taking a single step forward. Just wishing, just dreaming, no action. But here's the truth. You can absolutely become wealthy without listening to every guru or reading every book. The real question is, how do you actually make money? One proven method is active learning. That means doing, taking real action. That's when the real challenges of life show up. That's when you begin to see the real path to success. Ask any successful person. They'll tell you, in the beginning, it's tough. The stress is real. The failures are painful. The thought of quitting is strong. Anger, frustration, disappointment. But only a few people push through. Only a few persevere through the pain and the struggle. So here's the honest truth. Don't waste your life watching endless videos or reading every book about money. Sure, they give you ideas, but most of them just repeat the same message in different packaging. What you need is action. Start small. Start a YouTube channel. Build a website. Sell a few products. Expose your ideas to the world. Accept criticism. Fail. Learn. Adjust. Repeat. Spend a small portion of your time learning what works, and more of your time doing. If you follow this, I promise, greatness is within reach. Think of it like this. If you want fruits and vegetables, you don't just read or watch how to grow them, you plant, you water, you protect the seed, you wait, you nurture. No action equals no harvest. Everything starts somewhere. Your starting point is a bold action. Your second step is perseverance. Keep going, and one day you'll feel what every successful person has felt: victory, fulfillment, and freedom. Remember this: action is greater than thinking. You can spend an entire year thinking positively, reading books and watching videos, but if you don't act, nothing changes. Real transformation starts the moment you take that first step. So let's do something. Let's make a change. Let's stop watching what we love without taking action. That is the mindset that leads to success. Thank you for watching. If you found this message meaningful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Your support means everything, and your journey starts now.